Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing good. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to talk with you guys about the spelling list 24. All right, so spelling list 24 um, says when a root word ends with a single consonant and the vowel is short, double the consonant before adding a suffix that begins with a vowel. Okay, so if you look up at the top of your page up there, okay, right up there by the bunny, it goes over that. So if you remember that from phonics, we talked about that. So like hop, okay, hop. If you want to say hopping, you need that second P. Otherwise, you will be writing hoping because that I will make the O long. Okay, hopefully that's familiar. Hopefully, you guys remember that. If not, this will be a great reminder to study these words. Okay, so right up there, it walks you through that. So there's hop. Okay, if we put an I right here, that I is going to make your O long. So they add a P. So now that P is protecting this O, keeping it saying ah. And then you add your ing. Okay, so you have hopping. All right, so keep that in mind. All right, and I'm going to read through the words. All right, so follow along with me. If it helps you, put your finger under it. If you don't have your spelling book, pause me and go get it. Spelling list 24. All right, so I'm going to go through the words. Now, this spelling test, it's got words that go in order with the suffixes that you've learned. So you have hop, hops. So there's just an S added to hop. Okay, so instead of one hop, it's more hops. Okay, so hop, hops. Then you have hopped. See, they gave it two P's because the E on the ED would have turned that O into a long O. So it would say hoped. Okay, it's not what you want. You want hopped. The bunny hopped yesterday. He didn't hoped yesterday. Wouldn't make sense. Okay. Uh, and then hopping, same thing. You need two P's before you add the ing because of the vowels. Okay. So hop, hops, hopped, hopping. That's the top row. The next row, we have another word that we're going to add the suffix to, and it has a short vowel followed by one consonant. So that means if the suffix has a vowel, it will make that vowel in your root word long. Don't want that. You want to keep it short. So you have rub, rubs, rubbed. See, they had to make it have two B's. Okay, rubbed. Then rubbing also has to have the two B's because we don't want to say rubed or rubing. Okay, those are not the words we're after. All right, and then it goes into some other words that you guys should be familiar with the suffixes added to them, and they all had to have their final consonants doubled. Okay, so you have skipped, they had to add a P before they added that ED. Hitting, they had to add a T before they added the ing. Hugged, getting, and pinned. Okay, so those all had to have their final consonant doubled. Okay, and then sight words don't and were. Don't, remember that apostrophe there is for the contraction. So don't is short for do not. Okay? Without that apostrophe up there, it's not really the word don't. It's kind of like just don't. Like, doesn't make sense. Okay? So those are your spelling words for this week. I haven't assigned you guys to write them 3 times every night, but do what you need to do to learn them, to remember them. If you want to take a little time to write them a few times right now, remember that memory with your hand will help you. I also threw flashcards in everybody's bag. So if you want to make flashcards for spelling, you can do that. All right. All right. Love you guys. Bye.